Neil here from R Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We are cleaning fiberglass sheeting on a commercial property. Now we've had to, because this is so dirty, we've had to pre-spray all of the sheeting with chemical to begin the cleaning process. Now I'm going to show you, I've got one of our guys working up on the roof, how much light you can achieve if you clean this roof. Look at it here. Look at the amount of light coming through here compared to what this is. It's astounding. So these guys, as you can see, operate a warehouse where they need to see where they're working, and we are just going to make their life so much easier in terms of actually being able to see what they have, where they have it, and fundamentally using less electricity is a really important thing, especially during the summer months and the winter months. So really happy with that. We'll show you the finished result. I want you to just feel the light that's coming through here and have a look at that. Okay, so if you have a commercial building and you need a clean, give me a call. We'll give you a quote.